Friends, today we're going to see how to make Roti Canai. Roti Canai, also known as a Roti Paratha, is an Indian influenced flatbread and is very famous in Brunei, Malaysia, Indonesia and Singapore. So friends, this Roti Canai is a vegetarian version and we don't have add any eggs. So today I make with the three different varieties of Roti Pisang, Roti Telur, and the all-time favorite is a flat round bread. Friends, let's see how to make it. Friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. So friend, this is simple recipe. The ratio should be 2 to 1. If you take a 2 cup flour, the ratio is a 1 cup liquid or water. So today I have a all-purpose flour about 6 cup, and then liquid I have 2 cup water, 1 cup fresh milk. In Malaysia we always use the condensed milk, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. It's optional, so but today I'm using the fresh milk, sugar and salt. So friends, I just have the water about 2 cup. Now I'm adding about 1 cup fresh milk. So friends, you always can add any type of milk, condensed milk or ideal milk. So just add the sugar and salt and just make a hole in the middle. Just add this liquid and we're going to mix slowly. The dough should be very sticky. It doesn't matter. Once the is set for 10 to 20 minutes, the dough will become together. Then you need to keep kneading until all the liquid and then the flour all combine together. So the kneading is important. So make sure you don't form any lumps. So keep kneading about 15 minutes. So once you have a nice moist dough, and we're going to set for 10 to 20 minutes, friends. So now it's very soft and sticky dough. So let's set for 20 minutes. Then we can make the small ball and we can apply the margarine to the dough, small dough. So friend, this is easy recipe and only the need is a process. So this is my father recipe. He made this roti canai when we have the restaurant. So simply he made about 50 kilos per day. So it's really big amount of the flour, and you won't believe that all the roti canai is over in couple of hours. So it's really soft bread and very flaky outside. I really suggest everybody try this recipe and you know how it tastes and the texture. So now I just cut the dough to some pieces and I'm making to the small ball size dough. So we're going to make a small ball dough. So once you arranging all, and we can set aside, and after that we can apply the margarine on the grease the ball so it's not going to stick each other. And the margarine is really effective to this recipe, and you always can apply oil or butter, but margarine give nice greasy texture and really good flavor too. So we always use margarine to make this roti canai. So friend, the original it be the Malabar paratha is from the South Indian, as eaten in many places as a street food. So friends, so now the balls dough is ready, and now just apply the margarine, each generous amount. So the purpose is the dough not stick together, because the dough itself very soft and moist, so we make sure we need to apply a generous amount of butter or oil or margarine. So today I'm using the margarine, is a vegetable margarine. So please apply a generous amount, so it's really good for the not sticking each other. So we're going to set for 6 to 8 hours. So I just set it's overnight, so morning I can start making this roti canai. So it's already 8 hours, friends. The dough is already set nicely. So why we need to set the dough? It's not going to ferment or not going to rise. We don't have any raising agent we adding during making dough. The purpose is set the dough is getting more elastic texture while we flatten it. So friends, again, the setting for 8 hours or 6 hours is really important to get this nice elastic texture. So we need to flatten as spread it out until paper thin. So friend, you can see I spread it out by tossing it on the flat surface. So this is my countertop. I just clean it and then I just apply oil before I start this process. So again I'm showing another, so just flat as much you can, spreading with your hand. It easily spread because the dough is still very soft. And now we're going to tossing it around a flat surface. So we just flat as possible as a paper thin. So once you get that thin texture, we're going to apply some drops oils, and we're going to fold it each side, and we're going to make it roll it, and this is the process to make the round roti canai. So again we can do it, prepare ready. So for the round roti we need to set at least 5 minutes before we need to flat and to cook the bread. So again I'm keep doing it until we have all that the round bread is ready. So just flatten, it's quick and easy. So friend, if you very having difficult to flat this tossing around, you always can try out with the one towel. So friend, now I'm going to show you how to make the egg paratha. So we need an egg and some sliced onion, pinch of salt, and some sliced green chili. It's optional. So just flatten the egg and just get some sliced onions, sliced chili, and we're going to pour that egg on the flattened bread or roti canai. So we just fold it, it's 4 sides, it's going to be square shape. Just fold it all sides, and then I'm just to bring the pan nearby to you, and then we're going to place that bread on the pan, because normally the flattening surface always next to the stove, but mine is far away, so I just make sure it's not break or not spill from the bread, so the egg not come out from the bread. So that's the one technique. Bring the pan to the place where you flat the roti canai. So I just cooked ready. Now it's ready. Now I'm showing how make the round bread paratha. Just flat as thin you can. It become nice thin surface, and we're going to roast it each side about 4 to 6 minutes. So the total cooking process should be taken 8 minutes. So keep toast each side about 2 minutes each side, and in the medium high. So just keep turning over and over and let cook until you get a nice golden brown bread. So friends, Yes, it's a long process, but it's really worth. Once you try, you're never going to give up, and it's really interesting, and the taste so amazing because the is a homemade and it's really delicious, and your kids and everybody, your friends, going to enjoy as much we enjoy at home. Now it's ready, friend. Look at this. It's nice and golden brown. So we're going to take it out, and I'm going to show another next step is a beaten up the bread. So why we need to beaten up the bread? To get that flaky texture. So the folding all, once you beat up, the crispy outside, and then the folding all will come out. Now I'm going to show you, friends, how to make the banana chocolate bread. So it's simply one type of the dessert, and it's easy to make. And now I just add some chocolate chip. You can add a Nutella or any jam, and you can have any type of your favorite sweet. You can put some cream cheese and some jam. I can leave all that the type of the dessert variety of the roti canai. Please check out the description below. It will very useful for you. Get some idea to make it at home. So it's so much fun. My kids love this banana chocolate roti canai. So it's simply delicious, and you're going to enjoy it. The same, we're going to roast that roti canai with some butter. So the butter give like richness to this bread. So just add some butter on my roti canai. So once you can toast about 4 to 8 minutes, so cook evenly and in the medium high. Please do not cook in a high temperature, it might burn your roti canai. So please cook in a medium high as much you can. It take a while, but it's really worth it. Now it's ready, friend. Look at this. The roti pisang is a banana flat bread. Is simply delicious. It's a sweet version, and we can serve with a chocolate sauce. This is the round bread that we made it earlier, and today I have the chicken curry. Friend, please check my chicken curry recipe in the description below. And now I just cut to the square the roti telur, the egg roti. Now it's some chocolate sauce on my roti pisang. It's a banana bread. It's simply yummy and so good, friends. The banana is just melt in your mouth. The chocolate and banana so delicious, and it's so good for everybody. So this is the banana roti that I made it, and it's so good, friends. It's just deserve some caramel sauce, chocolate sauce, or any type of favorite sauce. It's so good and just melt in your mouth. This is the flatbread. It's a round roti. It's a plain version that we made it. So flaky, crispy outside, soft inside. It's just delicious itself. So now we can serve with any favorite curry or any. Normally we serve with the dal curry in Malaysia, and but if we have any type of curry, it goes so well. Stew, mutton curry, vegetable kurma, or sardine curry, fish curry. It's so good. It goes so well with any curry or any dippings. Even I like to eat with the sugar and just the plain bread. It's simply delicious, and kids all everybody enjoy. In India we serve with the salna, a chicken curry, and then it's a popular breakfast in Malaysia and serve as 24/7. Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.